Do, man, peace, power, praise, and positivity, you know what I'm saying? We just woke up like a motherfucker. We finna get this day started for real. We finna start off making this beat for a very good friend of ours, you know what I'm saying? He got us a sample, you want us to try it, and see if we can work and tweak and fuck with it and shit, so we ain't gonna do that. Don't mind these pimple patches on my face, you know what I'm saying? Getting it together, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like a motherfucker, we finna start working on this beat later on, and after that, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna go shopping with baby a little bit, and then we got like this banquet and shit she putting together for CPG, so, you know what I'm saying, rock with us, you know what I'm saying, if you don't know what CPG is already, I'm gonna put that shit, you know, link it in or whatever, but yeah, all that, and then some. So we people gonna be, you know what I'm saying, premature fit for when we, you know what I'm saying, shopping and shit like that. It's gonna be something slight. You finna gonna throw this on. Working on the beat actively as we speak. Trying to get the drums and shit down. You know what I'm saying? What it do, y'all? We already 2 stores in real life, but I ain't show you 4. We really 4 stores in apparently, but you know what I'm saying? I ain't show y'all none of that. I'd rather just show y'all what we got, you know what I'm saying? I just be chillin', I ain't done no music that have, but my job was a really good take. Tryna tell ninjas to live in a world, have a hell of a time, drop a gym you can take. So many choices of things you can be, out of all of them hoes, some can switches to hate. Focus on love and this God giving grace, so shit I can't complain, my perception is great. You know she gon' get better, but I'm on my level, got what I
You wouldn't even know ugly how it did look like a Super Mario. But it wasn't ugly.
I see a few that I like and I cannot decide who I'm feeling the most. She look like Kalani, she look like Callie, I got a crush on them both.
Maybe they're in the wrong spot. We got about like, I want to say like 2-3 hours before we have to really start getting dressed for real. Baby probably gonna be getting dressed from now until, so, you know, but we got to work on it a little bit. We still got to work on the beat. JJ did not like it, but it wasn't perfect. I got the stuff later. So we got to finish working on it. Peace and power, man. We still in here cooking up. I'm gonna show y'all what we got so far. He said it's cool. We just gotta make like a few more adjustments to it for real. But this is what we got. And say, you know what I'm saying? It's 8:49 on the clock. We getting ready to, you know what I'm saying, go and get dressed so we can head to the dinner and shit. You know what I'm saying? Do our thing. I'm gonna play y'all this beat real quick so y'all can hear what it sounds like. We get a dub from, you know what I'm saying? We get a win from Jay. He said it's cool with it. So it's another sensational beat in the books. You know what I'm saying? So let's see. I don't be tripoding for real. I be thugging, you know what I'm saying? Doing this shit up there and seeing how it works. Yeah, man, I'm finna show y'all a little fit. Hey, man, I ain't never, you know what I'm saying, came across a brother this fly. Let me stop. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to have to do so much. Hey, man, you know what I'm saying? Good try. You know what I'm saying? Good try. Good try. They be trying, man. They be trying to spiritually attack me, you know what I'm saying? But then I put on some shit that look like this, you know what I'm saying? I put on that gi, and then hey, man. Hey, null and void. Return to sender. How the fuck you gonna hate on somebody that look this good? You know what I'm saying? Niggas be trying to hate on me, and then I pop out and look this good. That shit return to sender. Cause you can, how you gonna hate on somebody that look like this? You know what I'm saying? How you do that? How I come through and just Bill. Well, man, you know what I'm saying? A date. Everybody look nice.
I didn't think you was right behind me. I would have told you.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh shit, I didn't get this.
Quick, clack. Ting, 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 ting.